Assalamu alaikum. In the previous three videos, actually, we learned how to create a pivot table. In the second video, we learned how to modify a pivot table. And the third video, we created a pivot chart, right? So in this video, actually, we'll learn how to filter the pivot chart, right? So for this, we will create a pivot table. For example, insert pivot table and in the new worksheet, right? So here, for example, I would like to investigate the city wise. Oh my God, there are lots of cities, right? Uh, okay, city wise product, right? City wise products and total sale. Okay, so to city wise total product sale, right? So there is a very big pivot table actually and very large summarization. So in this way, it's quite difficult to make the decision, right? But in some cases, maybe manager would like to know region wise, right? So for example, I am just putting the region in the filter, right? So here all the datas, all the in the region, right? So sometimes manager would like to know the sale of only Midwest region. So click here, just click here and Midwest and click OK. So this is the table which shows or giving you the result only the Midwest region, right? So some cases South region, okay, these the values are for South region. So in this way we can filter the data. In some cases, maybe manager would like to know or investigate two regions, for example, South and West. So select here, right? So it's the South and West. Okay. So these are the values of South and West regions, right? So we can filter the data in this way, right? So this is the filtering option in the pivot table, right? It's very easy actually. So as per your own requirement, as per your business requirement, you can make any types of pivot table, pivot chart, and create the pivot table and modify the pivot table and create the pivot chart and modify the pivot chart, right? You can use in this way. Okay. uh, it's very simple actually. On the other hand, for example, there are some others data. Here is the, how can I say, there is no data of, oh no, there is no time series data, if I'm not wrong, right? Okay. So yes, invoice date, there is a time series data. So we can investigate the trend, right? So how we can investigate the trend? For example, I'm just deleting everything, trend of sale, right? So if I click here, I'm in the invoice date in the row, right? And the sales method, sorry, total sale in the column. So this is the chart, pivot chart, right? I would like to investigate not year wise, okay, just quarterly wise. So remove the field year. So this is the quarter, this is the date, right? Remove the field. Here is only quarter, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. So if I would like to see the sales trend quarterly, just click here and go to the pivot chart, right? And in this case, it's wise to use the line chart, right? Okay. So we can select this one, and this is the trend analysis. Okay. So here we can learn, for example, I'm just making it a black color and the size is 12, and here Times New Roman, right? Okay. On the other hand, you also can practice, I mean, there's some design, there are lots of designer in here, right? You can change from here and there. Okay, so just making it, and you can also change the color, right? It depends on you actually, it depends. Okay, change the color. So we can take a decision that from quarter 1 to quarter 3 the sales was slightly decreasing, right? But in quarter 3 to 4 the sale was slightly decreased actually, right? So we can take a easy decision from this graphical chart or graphical presentation. But using the uh, tabulated value, it's quite difficult to take a quick decision, right? So you can practice at your home in your own style, right? So you can download the dataset from the Google or any other site, kaggle.com, google.com, Google, there are lots of free data set, right? So you just use a downloaded data set Excel file and try to practice in your own style. First of all, try to create some question, and then solve your question in your own style, right? Okay, so it's all about the chart and the pivot chart, right? So after the next video, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.